Sprout Me. Want to grow your own pumpkins? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Pick the perfect spot. Choose a sunny area with lots of space. Pumpkins need room to spread out their long vines. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Pumpkins love rich, well-draining soil. Mix in compost or manure to give them a nutrient boost. Step 3. Plant the seeds. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep, with each seed spaced 3 to 5 feet apart. This gives them room to grow big and strong. Step 4. Water consistently. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Deep watering encourages strong roots. Step 5. Feed your pumpkins. Fertilize every few weeks to support their rapid growth. Choose a fertilizer high in nitrogen at first, then switch to one high in phosphorus and potassium once the flowers appear. Step 6. Watch for flowers and fruit. Male flowers appear first, followed by female flowers that develop into pumpkins. Pollination is key, so bees are your friends. Step 7. Harvest time. When the pumpkins are fully colored and the skin is hard, they're ready to harvest. Cut the vine with a few inches of stem to help them last longer. Got your own pumpkin growing tips? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, only on Sprout Me, where gardening is fun and fruitful. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Sprout Me for more gardening tips. Let's grow together.